Hi friends, become a high paying SQL developer today and you are at the right place. I teach you from scratch complete step by step activities you really need for your projects, resumes as well as for certifications. Trust me, very simple straightforward activities. SQL bit vast, just need lot of practice, and I'm here to provide you enough scenarios. More importantly, two real-time projects and one capstone project exclusively for end-to-end operations on SQL Developer training classes. Whether you are a student or a working professional, my classes, my trainings, my examples will definitely suit your professional needs. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. For 2 decades of dating with database technologies, I assure you practical step-by-step classes. Pretty sure you enjoy my examples. Either it is live online training that you are joining with me or self-paced videos you are taking from me. Of course, even for videos, I will be available for doubts clarifications with video-wise notes, video-wise assignments, and my complete support for your doubts clarifications. Or you may join me for the instructor-led in-house classroom environment or in-house classroom training sessions at my Hyderabad facility, India. Any platform, same care, same content to be delivered correctly, completely in a proper way to suit your job needs. To ensure proper knowledge to be imparted to our learning basket, I have good number of examples with detailed course content. To become a SQL developer, we need to concentrate on, of course, database fundamentals, SQL basics, and more importantly, queries. Then comes SQL query tuning and programming. Programming is all about the end-to-end business logic implementations with complex procedures, functions, common table expressions, table valued parameters, blob, binary, large object activities, open row set, etc. Then level 3, we need to master Cloud SQL, Microsoft Cloud SQL, Azure and Fabric SQL to aim at number 4, DP 800 examination. Here in this 2 months course, I will be teaching you all these 4 different levels in a structured, proper, complete practical environment. I divided the entire 2 months course into 3 different plans. You will choose plan A first. Complete MSSQL and T-SQL queries for 1 month with me. You're happy with it. Then you upgrade to the next level, that is plan B, for 2 more weeks. And you are fine with it. If needed, you will join me for 2 more weeks for plan C. So level by level enrollments, flexibility. At the same time, it should be useful for our job needs also. Yes, plan A, the SQL queries is in fact enough for a data analyst or a data engineer or a database administrator job profile in general. However, if someone wanted to have more programming stuff or end-to-end business logic implementation stuff from developer perspective, they need plan B or plan C of my SQL training classes. If not, usually plan A stuff should be enough. To learn more about it, in plan A, SQL and T-SQL queries, I will be teaching you the items you see on my screen: tuning, CTEs, joins, user-defined functions, stored procedures, merge, normal forms, and one capstone project with about 500 queries. Practical step by step with good number of hands-on labs and scenarios. Okay, this lasts for 1 month. The plan A, step 1. Developers, programmers, they may need additional programming stuff. That is step 2 on my screen. Additional programming like procedures, additional complex functions, table value parameters, XML queries, tuning activities with tools and AI intelligence. Additionally, for Plan C participants, I included the DP 800 examination course content. So choice is yours. You choose whatever you really need, and then you can take it from there with step-by-step approach. You can start with plan A. You're happy with my service, then you step into plan B. You'll only get the difference part. You'll enroll for the difference part. Next, apart from this, yes, when it comes to the SQL developer training classes that I offer, let me give you my notes just to get some idea how careful my classes will be. So let me take you to my session notes here. I'll be teaching you from scratch introduction to databases, to detailed installations, to SQL basics, and then continue for SQL basics with few good number of operators, color codings, etc. Enough examples to get the complete grip on the subject step by step. Then comes something called Excel imports, CSV imports, schemas, additional operators, data types, constraints. We have something called as SQL operators at the advanced level, normal forms, joins, and also join types and join options. We have something called group by and self joins, views and row level security, stored procedure concepts, functions concepts, triggers, transactions, indexes, query tuning activities with common table expressions, cursors, temporary tables. This way, complete course content to be included in our complete full-length program. What more you're looking for? Come on, I am here to provide you real-time projects on banking domain as well as healthcare management system, or simply say healthcare domain, to include in your resumes. I will provide you project FAQs, resume optimizations. Let's get started to learn step by step in a cautious way. I'll be waiting for you for your enrollment into my live demo session. Attend 1 or 2 intro classes. See how it goes. If it is self-paced videos you are looking for, take 1 or 2 videos from my team. See how they go. You are fine with them. I'm pretty sure you'll be happy with them. Still any doubts, any questions, do contact me. I'll be at your reach. Let's get all the things clarified. Then we'll start our journey step by step, level by level. See you there in my actual classes, and thank you so much. See you soon in my sessions. All the very best. Bye bye. Take care.